The ReMake publishing feature just got another extended capability, namely to add annotation tags in the published views. So let's see how to do that. We'll work on the Glen Canyon Dam capture. It's a beautiful capture, and thanks to our colleague Pete Kelsey for sharing this with us. So we will proceed the usual way by clicking on the Publish to Play button and click Yes. This, as you know, will take some time depending on the size of the model. It can be a couple of minutes. Publishing has finished, and we will click on Launch Play. And here, as you know, we're entering into the Play publishing environment. I'll just click in the main window here. And here is our scene. So as you know, we have a couple of templates. This is a new template. It's called Basic Story. And it is that template that we'll be using in order to leverage the new annotations functionality. So I'll click on the template and I'll just drag and drop it over the main window. As you can see, the menu here changed. And now I will start adding tags. For that, I'll click on the annotation editor and be aware that this will only be possible when you use this template for the moment. So I click on the annotation editor and I'll click on the plus sign to add the first annotation. I'll give it a title, let's say number 1. Don't forget to click enter because otherwise it will not be remembered. And let's say the first annotation is Lake Powell. Enter. And now I will click on Place in 3D, zoom in towards where the lake is, and click here. That's my first tag. I'll add another tag. I'll call it number 2. Let's say this one we will call the Carl Hayden Visitor Center. And again, don't forget to click enter to remember it. Click on Place in 3D, and this here is the center. Okay, and let's add 2 more. Here is the third one, 3, enter. Let's call this one Colorado River. Enter. Click. And I think you get the idea. So a couple of more things before we publish the scene. Number 1, you see that these annotation tags are oversized. The control for that is under Annotation, Size. At the moment it seems like we have a feedback issue, so when I change it, it does not show you that they will become smaller, but they will. Don't forget when you define the size to click enter after each numeric field change. Another thing is also you will usually have this floor plate button always active on. If you don't want it, and if you just turn it off here, when you publish the scene, it will still be in the published scene. This is because whatever mouse clicks you do in this window, they will not affect the publishing. They're just affecting what you see here. If you want this floor plate never to be here, you will change it here under floor enable false, and from now on it will not be showing in the published scene. So just to check, here are my tags that I made. Okay, it seems like we're ready to publish. Update and publish, and this will push the scene to the Autodesk ReMake gallery. From here on, you can do with this scene whatever you usually can do on the gallery. Namely, number 1, you can explore it. Let's see if the tags are working. Here they are. If you need to change the title of the scene, you go to Edit Project, and you can change here whatever you want, do additional description, and say Publish. And you have to accept I'm not a robot. Here was also save as unlisted option if you don't want to share this with the world because you're maybe working on it and not ready. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And at any point, as you know, you just remember you have to be signed in. At any point, you can go back to your scene. This brings you back into the play environment, and you can start changing other things, the background or whatever you want to do. Let's say I actually forgot to add some additional information like a hyperlink. So let's go to the tag of Lake Powell and add here, I will copy paste hyperlink to the Lake Powell website. And again, don't forget, enter. And let's just see, it's going to be here. And from, again, we will click on publish, update and publish to update this hyperlink. And let's check if the hyperlink got added. We click here, here is the hyperlink. And here is the website of Lake Powell. So you see how you can slowly but surely add additional information to your tags, and obviously we will be evolving this functionality, but this is pretty much it for the moment, and I hope to see some projects that are leveraging this functionality.